Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Toyota Prius. 2022 Toyota Prius Prime XLE. Drive the future today. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 55 miles per gallon in the city and 53 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2022 Toyota Prius Prime XLE, your eco-friendly chariot to the future. Powered by a 1.8L plug-in hybrid i4 engine with 121 horsepower, this sleek magnetic gray metallic beauty features a refined black leather interior and under 32,000 miles. That's less than 8,000/year. With an impressive 55 mpg city/53 mpg highway, it delivers serious savings at the pump. Enjoy premium factory features, a clean Carfax, and excellent overall condition. Don't miss this gently driven, tech-savvy hybrid. Schedule your test drive today and experience guilt-free driving like never before. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.